Ayan, video na yan.
Video na to. O ayan, tiningnan ni Bunso yung transmission. Nakyat niya ang yan. Video. Souvenir engineer. This is my engineer. Handsome.
Isa top.
This one.
This is the instructor of Said. White hat 50 hat.
What else? Baterya? Ay, sino nagtanggal ng switch ng ano? Yung ano? Yung
Battery?
sa baterya. Asa na?
Battery na kay Romel.
Ayun daw.
Wala. Yung isa kanina.
Baka na sa operator. Wala sa'yo? Okay. Now the last thing is okay.
Main control valve.
Battery.
Turn it on. This one, not done.
Yung battery na signal. Basta mo?
Oh, sali naman ako.
Kanina magpagita. Wala nakita. Siya po wala nakita. Gaya ilum-ilum lang daw. Patay mo perito. Nakakatang gabi. Operator. Wala ka pa naman. Wala yan. Tuloy.
Sini taga-alkahal. Alkahal nga mga
Hindi,
maintenance.
open mo muna. Tingnan natin kung nagpabangkin yung ano. Yung ano.
Ano nga maliit?
This is the instructor of Said.
Dali ah. Okay. Tumutunog, taputin mo muna. Nagpapag. Why? Sige. Ilang? Pero tumutunog. Oh, ayaw. Diyan ya. Tulak natin.
Tulak daw. Hindi nilagyan ng ano?
Hindi na daw
Hindi na kailangan lagyan ng diesel. Pero ang iba nito, kailangan lagyan. Hindi na mag-pump. Yan yung computerized oh. This is the last thing that you can do, yeah? Using electronic unit injector. Put in your nose.
Binhor. Good.
Puro good ah.
Next equipment.
Good.
Stop! Stop! Start! Hey!
Baka sumabog.
Yan. Okay. We will start with that.
Oh, Jimuel. Extra operator. Muandes Jimuel.
Sunny. Sunny. Oh, listen Sunny.
So tomorrow, the maintenance car, they have use a laptop. Tomorrow?
This is 40,000 real. 40,000.
You can buy one car.
You can buy it for yourself.
Diagnose
You know, when
the
I give you something like this, you know what we do is
problem of this grader.
Okay guys, now we want to test electronic unit injector. So electronic unit injector is inside the engine ECM, okay? It's controlled by engine ECM. So what you have to do when connecting like this, it's automatically. So just choose C11, okay, because your engine is C11, and then click OK.
عارف
Dito po sa itaas po yung noise coming. So just go to diagnostic. Diagnostic test and injector solenoid test. Okay? We have a 6-cylinder. Okay? You can check by hearing the sound clicking should be. Okay? If you have 6, it means that should be 6 click. If 7 click, it means CJ. What's CJ? Still here?
Yeah.
Now starting. Coming. 1. You hear the sound? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Halas. Done. 7.
CG.
Now easy, right? Then stop it. Kalas, that's it. It means that it's make sure that your solenoid of your injector is good. Clear? The last thing is power flash. We cannot do here because it should be done by dealer. Who always do this power flash? Or you not doing? Mr. Manager. So it's need time. You have to open up.
so many things to do with English.
Okay, clear? So our job for PM maintenance is okay. Clear?
Clear.
Okay, any questions so far? Nothing?
Can I check my Gmail?
Can you check your email ad? Singit itu Pak. Kelasnya udah dapat balik. Ya, tapi itu.
When you have a problem, no break, accumulate pressure. Okay, clear? So, where's Alan? Should we release the machine? Do we release the machine? Okay, your responsibility.
Testing switch.
Alan, release the machine and I release the laptop.
This is the operator of grader, Pakistan.
Sadiq.
Sadik. Mia.
10 minutes na ito para
YouTube.
Should be. That's it. There's problem in the body.
lang. 10 minutes lang para lagay sa YouTube.
What will you do with
Ilan o? 9 na. Sama rin.
It's muskil.
You have to have special training for it.
It's muskil na.
Not enough.
Mapi mo skill. Just a training for third-wheeler.
9. 5-0.
But actually, you cannot run like this.
Circle barrel. Kalas.
Change filter rin.
Chat. Fidik. Saan ada? Chat. Biju.
But if you do like that,
Ay, ma.
Mia.
Mia Sadik.
yeah, fix the motor. Try and motor. That's the solution.